So students, in last period we already discussed about the mirror formula. So whenever we want to find out the image, then distance, whenever we want to find out the focal length, then the distance of the object, distance of the image. So by using the mirror formula we can find out. So as per the mirror formula, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So by using that formula we can calculate the different values. So the next part of the mirror formula, that is the magnification. So magnification is depend upon the sign convection. So we know that the size of the image is depend upon the position of object. We already discussed in case of the concave mirror and in case of the convex mirror. Whenever we are keeping the object on different positions, so that time we are getting the different types of images. So the image formation is depend upon the position of the object. So somewhere the image is larger than the object, the size of the image is larger than the object. It is same size of the object, and sometimes it is diminished also. So that sizes is depend upon the position of the object. So by using the magnification formula we can calculate the exact size of the image. So here magnification is none other. Magnification is the ratio of height of the object to the height of the image. Magnification is none another. It is a relation between the height of the image to the height of the object. So here magnification is denoted by using m. So magnification is none another. It is height of image to height of object. Okay, so the height of image is always considered as h, and the height of object is also considered as h, but we cannot write h. So here we will write m is equal to h2 upon h1. Here m is a magnification, then h1 is height of object, and h2 is height of image. Okay students, so here we got one formula, that is m is equal to h2 upon h1. So m is equal to h2 upon h1. It means that it is showing the magnification. So here magnification is none another. Magnification is the ratio of height of image to height of object. Okay, so it is denoted by using small m, and small m is equal to h2 upon h1. So here m is a magnification, h1 is a height of object, h2 is a height of image. Okay, so now magnification, it may be positive or negative. So how can we calculate magnification is positive or negative? हमें कैसे समझ में आएगा कि ये positive है या negative है? So we know that students, the object height is calculated upward or the downward, like this way. Suppose this is a principal axis. So height जो है हम एक तो upside calculate करते हैं या तो downside calculate करते हैं. If height is upward, it means that it is having a positive sign. If height is negative, so it means that it is having a negative sign. So here object is always kept as upward direction. Object is always kept in upward direction. So the height of object is always having positive sign. So h1 is always having positive sign. But somewhere the formation of image is depend upon the position of the object. Suppose we are getting the virtual image. Virtual, it means that we are calculating the height of virtual image in upward direction. So the virtual image is also having positive sign. Again keep in your mind, the virtual image is having positive sign. So that time magnification is positive, because height of image is always positive, and in case of the virtual image, the height of object is always positive, and in case of the virtual image, height of image is also positive, because वर्चुअल इमेज में हमें जो भी इमेज है हमारी वो अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मिलती है. सो जो भी अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में इमेज होती है उसे हम पॉजिटिव कैलकुलेट करते हैं. तो in case of the virtual image, if image is virtual, so that time magnification is positive, because हाइट भी पॉजिटिव होगी और हमारा जो इमेज की हाइट भी पॉजिटिव होगी और ऑब्जेक्ट की हाइट भी पॉजिटिव होगी. बट इफ़ वी आर गेटिंग द रियल इमेज जो होती है वो डाउन साइड हमें मिलती है, और जो भी इमेजेस हमें डाउन साइड मिलते हैं दैट इमेजेस वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग as we are giving them as a negative sign. So for the real and inverted image we are getting the negative magnification. They are having a minus sign. That magnification is having minus sign. And if image is virtual and erect, so that time magnification is positive. Once again, clear your confusion. Magnification means that it is a ratio of height of image to height of object. So m is equal to h2 upon h1. So here m is a magnification, h1 is the height of object, h2 is the height of image. Again here two conditions are there. Magnification is positive or the magnification is negative. मैग्निफिकेशन पॉजिटिव कब होता है? अगर हमें वर्चुअल इमेज मिलती है. वर्चुअल इमेज मिलती है मतलब इस एक्सिस के ऊपर अगर हमें इमेज मिलती है, सो दैट मैग्निफिकेशन इज हैविंग पॉजिटिव साइन. अगर इस एक्सिस के डाउन साइड हमें इमेज मिलती है, सपोज रियल और इन्वर्टेड इमेज इज देयर, सो ऑब्वियसली दैट इमेज इज वी आर गेटिंग डाउन साइड. So downward image, real and inverted image is having minus sign. Virtual, whenever we are getting the virtual image, so that time magnification is positive. If we are getting the real image, so that time magnification is negative. I think your concept is clear now. Now move forward. Again, magnification is having a second formula. It is depend upon the distance of the object or the distance of the image. If you are not we don't know about the height of the image, so that time by using the distance also we can calculate the magnification. So let us discuss about that. So another formula for the magnification is, it is a ratio of image distance to object distance. Okay, so here we are having two formulas for the magnification. If we don't know about the height, so by using the distance also we can calculate the magnification. So here once again m is equal to image distance v. We are calculating the image distance by using v, and the object distance u. So here one thing we know that image is here object distance is having minus sign, so that's why magnification by using the distance always having a minus sign. So it is m upon u. So here v is the image distance, u is the object distance, and m is a magnification. So here we calculate the magnification by using the two methods. If we know about the height, so that time also we can calculate the magnification by using the formula m is equal to h2 upon h1. And there are the two conditions, magnification is positive or the negative. If virtual image is there, so magnification is positive. If real image is there, magnification is negative. Another formula for the magnification, it is depend upon the distance between the object and distance between the image. So that is none another, that is m is equal to v upon u, and it is depend upon the sign also. The u is always, u means that the distance object is always kept in left side of the principal axis, and it is always always having a negative sign. So that's why magnification by using distance is negative. So m is equal to minus v upon u. So these things related with the magnification. In next period we will discuss about the refraction. That is the most important part of light lesson. I hope your concepts are clear. If still you are having any doubts, so that time you just send me the message. In next period I will clarify your doubt. So for today students, you have to prepare the notes on the basis of magnification. And in last period I already sent the notes. Still I don't get any type of response. So today itself you have to send your notes. So for today, thank you very much students. We will meet in next period. Thank you.